Okay, so hello and welcome to another lecture in Mastering DeepSeek, Llama and other LLMs using open-webui and Ollama course by techlatest.net. So far, we had covered a lot of things like agenda, then overview of Ollama, overview of open-webui. Then we had covered setup installation by choose techlatest.net setup, then setup installation of open-webui with the Ollama on GCP, AWS, and Azure. Now in this lecture, we'll cover Ollama command line. So basically, we will see like how you run models in Ollama on a terminal basically, and also we'll see like how uh, like you have not do any additional steps, like not you have not installed Ollama manually and all these things, and like what are the benefits of having this VM. We already explained this thing in our previous lecture, so go and check out our previous lecture also. But in this lecture we have especially focusing on like how you run models on a terminal basically. So let's get started. So you go on techlatest.net website and click on product and support page, and in in artificial intelligence and machine learning category, you can find about the DeepSeek and Llama powered all-in-one LLM suite product. So here you can see a lot of things. Okay, so this is the product, and these are, you can check the benefits and other things of this model, this VM also. Okay, so let's get started. So go on your terminal. My VM is already running. I'm already logging in my terminal. Okay, so if you check Ollama command here, so here you can see that we have already Ollama, we have already Ollama installed with this VM. So basically, the main focus is, for example, if you search Ollama, okay, and here you can see the download button. So you have, for example, if you run Ollama on any GPU virtual machine or any VM, so you have to install manually. Like this is the command basically for the Linux. You have to run this command, and then you can good to go for using Ollama. But with this VM, basically with this product, DeepSeek and Llama powered all-in-one LLM suite, with this VM, you have already like you have pre-configured Ollama. Basically this VM come with pre-configured Ollama, so you have not installed any Ollama, or you have not do any additional steps. Simply you have to rent the VM from marketplace, basically techlatest.net and Azure marketplace, and you can good to go for using this VM. You have to set up the VM according to your preference. You have to choose configuration settings and other things, and you can deploy the VM, and you can good to go for connect with VM and using different models. And same thing I am again repeating here, this VM come with lot of models like DeepSeek R1, Llama 3.3, Mistral, Gamma, and other, and also this VM comes with open-webui and Ollama. Okay, so you have not do any additional steps. So this is the Ollama. If you run Ollama command, so means your Ollama is installation. And if I check Ollama S minus version, so you can see that Ollama version is 0.5.7. So basically I have not install any Ollama or anything. And if I run this command Ollama list, so it will list all the models here, so which are come with this VM. And we have also installed some additional models. Okay, so we all I think we will cover in our next lecture like how to download and pull new models in open-webui through Ollama. Okay, so we have covered this thing in our next lecture also, but we have also like install other models here. But with this VM, you can check the website, like what are the models come with this VM. These are some DeepSeek R1 parameters, 70 billion and 8B, 14B, Llama 3.3, Mistral Gamma 2, Quen models, then Nomic Embed Text. These are the some models which come with this VM. Okay, and if I run any model, so for example Ollama run, and for example if I run a small thinker, we have installed a small thinker, additionally. Okay, so this model is not come with this VM. So if you have like pull new models, and if you want to install new models, so you can watch our upcoming lecture, basically next lecture. Okay, so if I run this command, basically Ollama run a small thinker. So here you can see that it will take some time because my VM configuration is very low. I am using for just for the sake of demo purpose. If you want faster response, if you want to generate faster response, so you can choose good configuration and good higher configuration for your VM, and your models are working very fine and smoothly. And here you can see that we have like your our small thinker is running. So I'm asking some simple question. Who are you? And here you can see that it will generate some response. So here you can see that it works now. So basically this VM comes with this model, and like this VM, basically this VM comes with lot of models and Ollama and open-webui. So you have not installed any Ollama manually, and you can do and run models. So this is the benefit of this VM, and it will generate response. So and this is how you can run models from command line, and these are the benefits of this VM. So I think that's all about this lecture. I hope you guys like this lecture. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye bye. We will meet in next video.